Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Rajkumar Pandit, a faculty of computer science in JSS Mary Academy, Hajiganj, Patna City. Today, this video is prepared for the students of class 8. Today's topic is number system. Number system is very important to the students of class 8 because computer language is the binary language, and how any number, any letter or any symbols can be transferred into the form of the binary language so that computer can understand binary language. Okay, let us start the topic number system. As we know, computer is an electronic device. So, it requires electricity to work properly. And electricity has the switch which has two states, on and off. On means computer can understand 1, or off means computer can understand 0. So, we can say if we press the switch on, then computer can understand 1, and if we switch off, then computer can understand 0. So at first, define a device and pass the electricity as input in the form of on or off. It produces the output. If the input is on, then provide output as 1, and if the input is off, then produce the output as 0. So computer can understand 1 and 0. We can use different number using the on and off. If we want to print 100, then it requires 3 switch. First switch is on, second is off, and third is also off. If we want to print 101, it also requires 3 switch, and first switch is on, second is also on, and third is also on. So it prints the 111. But these systems can print with the combinations of 0 and 1. So it can print only 0, 1, 1 0, 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1, etc. It cannot print the number combinations from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So this device cannot print the combinations of number which 2, 3, 4 up to 9. So it requires some changes in the device. So we want to know about the number system. There are 4 number system uses. First one is binary number. Second one is octal number. Third one is decimal number, and next is hexadecimal number. The base value of each number is, the base value of binary number is 2, octal number is 8, decimal number is 10, and hexadecimal is 16. B uses the number as decimal number, but computer cannot understand the decimals number. It required to change it in the form of binary number. So in the next, we used to convert the decimal number into the binary number. So question 1 is, how to convert decimal number to binary number. So question is 25, its base value is 10 and it requires to change, that is question mark, convert into in the form of binary. So try to convert this number in the form of binary using the following method. 25, it divided with the binary base value 2 and the quotient value is 12, remainder value is 1. Again repeat the process. 6, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1 and 1. So the process is to downward to upward. So this value is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary value of 25. But it requires to change the binary number into the decimal number. So next question is, convert binary number to decimal number. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to question mark and 10. So the process is to convert this binary number into the decimals number. It requires to multiply with 2, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2, and then put the power. First started from 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Then calculate 1 into 2 per power 4 equals to 16 plus 1 into 2 per power 3 equals to 8 plus 0 into 2 per power 2 equals to 4 plus 0 into 2 per power 1 equals to 2 plus 1 into 2 per power 0 equals to 1. So the resultant value is 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals to, the resultant value is 25. So through this method we can convert binary number into the decimals number. This is the very easy process to convert any decimals number into the form of the binary. So conclude the topics. Decimals number is 25 and required to convert in the form of binary. The base value of binary number is 2. So it divide 25 with the 2 only. So divide 25 by 2, then 12, and remainder value is 1, and repeat the process 6, 0, 3, 0, 1 and 1. So the resultant value is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This value is required to convert, again change in the form of binary, in the form of decimals. So at first multiply with the all binary digit with 2, because the base value of binary number is 2. So 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2, and put the power starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4, and then after that calculate, and this the resultant value is 25. The resultant value is equals to the quotient value. So in the topics we convert the decimals number to the binary number. Okay, thank you.